Okay, my Asia traders, my precious metal traders, Moshi Moshi. Let's see what we get this Asia session. Gold, baby. We caught this long. I got long here, and it went ba-boom. And it was quite epic. Did anybody else get that? It was a thing of beauty. Oh, I have a cat in my lap. So we had a thing of beauty and $1,100. So it was nice. Let's see what we get next. How's everybody doing this evening? How do we trade today? Today was a tough day to trade, guys. If you traded New York, it was tough. Not gonna lie. No ifs, thens, or buts about it. I'm lucky I got off 2 good trades, and I called it, man. I didn't take any more trades for the most part. Coming back down to VWAP here, which is also going to be this extension, 772-ish. Approaching. Gold made new all-time highs. Silver did not. Silver stuck in this 93 to 95 range. And there it was. Anybody buy it? Had to be quick. Didn't quite touch VWAP there. Ooh, silver lost its luster. I don't know, man. That thing has been relentless. When is this thing going to flush? Does it flush? Is this the new norm? It was VWAP. Oh, this one here? Well, I mean, we're right at all-time highs. So once we curled and took above VWAP, that was just looking for a break of all-time highs. So that was more of a momentum trade. Yep. Setup number 9, Jake. Advanced auxiliary playbook, module 5.4. It's just been relentless, guys. I mean, look at this chart. all day. Everything was a dip buy today. Everything. If it sold off, you bought it and you made money. It was incredible. So I was gonna get my piece and I just got it. That is your kind of market. You were trading the wrong market. Chuck, you should have traded gold. You would have made long with money with every long you took. You're battling with the biggest red day on NQ since October. That's what today was. Biggest red day in NQ since October. And I think he should make this his profile picture. It's so good. It's so good. This is one of the funniest ones he's made. It's so good. Okay. This continue to fade, or is this the pullback long? Seems to be holding up. We take out that high, new all-time highs on gold. Goes. So if we get above 81, that's kind of the low volume edge. Coincidentally, that's also the deviation. So I did get back in here. Gotta stop at break even. See if we can get back to the edge of this value area. Or at least this little distribution. Should probably just take it. Second band, huh? JP's long, man. Anything is possible. You don't know what BTFD? Buy the dip. Buy the effing dip. Nobody has more trader t-shirts than me. I'm a collector of monitors and trading t-shirts. Nobody ever knows what to get me, but seemingly I have it all. So I always ask for trading t-shirts. The temptation is to short here, but I'm not going to do it. Too strong. It's just grinding. The better trade was long. Now it's too high. Booked profits. Silver's up at weekly upper band again here. It's been trading in this channel since this breakout move here. If this thing breaks 92, I'm looking short. Yeah, it was a tough day today. I think it was a tough day today. I think a lot of people would echo that sentiment. And I do a weekly daily recap, right? We really didn't have any clean setups today, guys. We had a couple. We had some fades, but you had to be early because it didn't get to the bands. We had a VWAP scalp long here. This was super messy up here. This was all fades up here. It was above the band. We had a distribution here, so the band setups were negated, and then we had a composite LVN up there. So if you could take shorts up there, that worked. But it was tough. We got a fade value or extreme there, and then we got a back test, a PDC short there, and then we got a couple of IB extension trades, and that was it for the whole day. And I didn't trade any of this. I just trade this nonsense. I was lucky to get a few good trades off there, but it was tough. I think it was tough. Yep, opposite of Friday, exactly, Jake. Friday was clean as anything. Today was not clean at all. But so different conditions, right? Now VIX is up over 20, right? We have this headline risk. The United States is trying to, invade Greenland or some craziness. Everybody's upset about it. And I don't know. It's just all craziness. Greenland looks really cold. I don't know why, you know. I went to Alaska. That was good enough for me. Alaska's nice. As far as cold weather destinations. Yeah, for a visit. We don't want to live there. So what do you think, JP? Silver gonna keep grinding up? Look at this daily chart. Think we'll get a flush here to yearly VWAP? 84. I'm watching. Yes, flying. Yep. So what we'll typically do is, well, it's kind of a continuation here. But yeah, we don't really use the Asia's so fresh, you know, it's so immature. There's not a whole lot of data there. So gold moved a lot more than silver did, though. That's kind of interesting. Maybe silver just will play catch up. Tenacity hit equilibrium. Competition's over. Done and dusted. Yeah, we were talking about it in a main chat, Art. People came and took all the money today already. It's gone. It's gone. All the money's gone. Just like that. Feels rather rug pull-esque, but traders took the money, not the prop firm. Crazy. Not if equilibrium is reached. You got to go through the rules, Hart. You got to make sure you understand the rules. Equilibrium was reached. Yeah. I didn't even trade it. Didn't even trade it. I got in this morning early, checked out, made sure it could work, and I was like, oh, I'm going to trade it level. Later, I never got to it. I was like, oh, I'll just trade it tomorrow. Gone. Craziness. It lasted 1 day, David. I think 1 day. No, I want to count. I'm glad I bought only one too. But now I have to buy another one. I already bought my next one. So I'm ready to go. Apparently they have 10K in the pot already for the next competition. So I'm coming for it this next time. No, I wanted LJ, I wanted to see how it all ran. You know, I'm in it to try it out and stuff, but I'm not like all like gung ho on day one. It does kind of encourage YOLO trading, but you can only YOLO with one contract, so you got to nail it. I mean, essentially, if you think about it this way, it's like a 1 day trading thing. You're risking $100 to see how much you could make in 1 day. Essentially, if you think about it, I'm going to trade regular money. My risk is $100 and see how much money I can make. I don't hate that idea when you put it that way. Silver going all-time highs? Sure looks like it. You know, they raised the margins on silver. No, that's not a prop, is it? Back to 95. This has been the rejection area on silver. Gold grinding. Can't seem to break out of the here we go back to VWAP here. That's a bit of a fade value or extreme short. We got our VWAP bounce. Mm-hmm. All right, looks like a little bit of a fade value or extreme. A bit of a short at 79.4. 76.3. Yeah, let's see if we can get covered here. Don't want to get steamrolled. So get out of it. There hasn't been any selling on silver. Not one. Not one tick of selling on tick strike. Metals are relentless. Relentless. Gold, all-time highs right here. Look at this. Told you I didn't want to get steamrolled. That's why I closed my trade. Craziness. Mm. It's like NQ bounce at those lows. Do we stay in value down here or we start to grind out of here? We're going to get new all-time highs in silver tonight, maybe too. Gold, all-time highs. Silver's screaming for it. Mhm. Silver's accelerating. We hit 96 tonight. All you can do is a silver micro. SIL. Craziness. Feel like you just buy it, make money. Every time it sells off, just buy it. like there. I'll take a little stab, some micros here. Watch this be the reversal. Well, this would be the PDC long. It's been honoring. There we go. Come on. There it goes. I got two. Boom. All these little micro pullbacks to the band have been buying opportunities. You got to go to the Tenacity Discord. All the updates are there. Link on their website. Here it goes. Here it goes. Come on. Just buy the micro dips because this thing's going straight up. No real pullbacks. One red 5-minute candle is like a buy signal. Well, that got filled. Anybody else a buyer? Gold's just going to the moon here. That was another PDC. There. Good idea. Thank you, JP. Always looking out for me. Feels like it, Scott. It certainly feels like it, Jake. When this thing sells off, though, it sells off hard. I mean, look at these rotations. I mean, this is today. These are like, this is common. Here's a 300 tick rotations. 300 up, 300 down, 300 up. Yeah, gold's just going straight up. Straight up. Don't worry. Sooner or later, Trump is going to taco. Taco trade will materialize, and the stock market will go to the moon as well. It's just a matter of time. We all know it's coming. Looks like an ascending triangle to me. I expect more breakout coming. And wait for it. All-time highs. I hope nobody's shorting this. Metals have proven they can go in one direction for a very long period of time. Well, Chuck, I know you're not shorting it. How do I know? Ask me how I know. He's shorting to spite me. It's okay. I take spite well. All these little dips are going to be bought up. Watch. You watch. It's so good. I'm going to keep that like on my desktop so I can just throw it in there upon, just like in my holster, ready to go. I might be able to do something like that. Oh, look. That little micro dip was bought up. That's so weird. Are you sure it's silver or gold? Look at what gold did last night. Right? You short here. Look how extended it is. I'll short it back to the upper band. It's kind of crazy to think that people can keep buying so much of this stuff at this level, right? Like zero exhaustion, just keeps going up, up, up. People buying the top. Such a crazy thing to think. Yeah, they likely do, JP. They get silver. Weird. It bounced off that line thingy right here. That band. All right, Shane. Yep, I've heard that. Weak dollar means strong silver and gold. A rally in the dollar could bring down silver and gold, I guess. Let's take a look at the dollar, shall we? Look at that. Because that would explain it. This started Sunday. This is where we got that big breakout. Other than that, the daily. Oh yeah, look at that. This is January of last year. So we've been kind of hanging out at this level since June on the dollar. That looks stable to me. I mean, it's definitely lower than it was here, but seems stable. Seems like it's going sideways. I don't know. I really don't know. What do I know? Let's see what happens at the open of Asia, and then I'll call it a night here at the 8 o'clock hour. We'll see what happens. I'll give it 5 minutes, and then I'll call it a wrap. Those Asian shorts, kamikazes. But JP said it. He said all Asian shorts are in trouble. I mean, are we not allowed to reference that? We're gonna just sweep that one under the rug. Never happened. That's right. You got some sunken ships there as reminders, sunken museums. Man, gold is so. Look at that. That's crazy. Parabolic. This move from here to here, $110, 1,000 ticks. I only knew what was going to happen before it happened. Silver's gunning for these all-time highs, man. Look at this. We're not far now. We're only half a point away. All right, Jake. Good night. All right, enjoy the London session. Let me know how Mustafa does. How do we know at the Asia Open they're not just going to start selling like crazy because of the profit taking? How do we know? Or they're going to see it's up so much and they're just going to start buying. Are you short, JP? Tell me you're short. Okay. Where'd you get long? Okay. Well, we got 2 minutes. Ooh, look at that wick. All right. Let's see what happens here. Coming into 8 o'clock. Big wick. Big short liquidated. That's what it looks like. And 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. There's a bell ringing over in Asia somewhere. They're saying sell that. Let's see if it holds the VWAP. A lot of sellers coming in all at once. Could be another buying opportunity. Silver sold off a lot more than gold did. Okay, there's the VWAP touch. Would have been a good buy. See if it holds. Nope. See ya. Yeah. Well, yeah, but gold's going up. Gold just hit all-time highs. Silver's tanking. See a massive liquidation to 86. Come on. 10%. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap up here. A couple of decent trades, couple of longs, scalps, PDCs off the upper band on silver. I took this VWAP Bounce long here. I took another PDC long on gold. So all longs. And why did I take all longs? Because look at that wick. Holy smokes. Crazy. Because we have strong markets. So we're looking for longs, guys. All right. If you're going to keep trading, manage your risk, stay sharp. Mustafa is running our first London stream tonight for you Europeans. And Oceania, that will be at 2:30 a.m. New York time. So whatever that is in your local time zone. If you're up, go join Mustafa. Manage your risk, stay sharp. If you guys are going to keep trading, head on over to the gold trading room. You can share your mic, share your screens, collaborate. Have a wonderful night, guys. I'm actually on stream with Zach tomorrow morning. Chuck's going to be running the stream here in the Discord. You have your choice. If you want to come onto YouTube, join me over there. I put that in the live schedule. So that'll be at the open tomorrow. Everything gets bought up. Everything gets bought up. Look at that. All right, guys. Have a wonderful night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow.